Hi guys, today really low budget video. Like my videos never had budget, but I mean you get it because I'm gonna raise fries by doing the reaction of this wonderful video, Fiery for Leafy. And this video is from Benji Scarlet, and Benji Scarlet is the one who did the Inside Out 2 songs, so someone really important who got BFDI. Like recently Content Farm got BFDI for some reason, and I don't even know why, but hey, Fiery Leafy, my favorite ship, my favorite character, so let's see.
Fiery? Yes, Leafy? I don't think I can survive in Dream Island alone. Me either. It's just so scary without you. I don't care if I'll be burned alive. I want to be with you forever. Love me. Love me.
Guys, this is the Gomigo thing. I don't think it can survive in the digital circus alone. Do you remember that? Now they're doing it for every song because it became like a banger. A ship with two characters who says, I don't think I can survive in this place alone. It's okay. I always be with with you in your heart. My heart born for you. Something like that. Something really cheesy. And this is a thing from the Gumigu Where Are You thing. So I mean, Content Farm cinematic universe, guys. How the heck are you dancing? Is that even a dance? Fiery Loves Leafy. What? what is she doing? Is that dancing? Oh my god! What are you doing? Fiery Loves Leafy. Bro, you are not a singer. Stop singing forever. Never let Roku cook again. You ignite my heart. What can't they see? Fiery Loves Leafy. Why there are Jordans here? Why Jordans? I don't know. Always the questionable dancing. You're perfect for me, can't they see? Fiery Loves Leafy. Wait, what is that? No, wait, I saw something. Oh, here. Fiery Loves Leafy. Fiery Lovely Leafy. No, Fiery Love Leafy. Oh. Fiery Loves Leafy. I love for you. That is true. My heart, but it's all the same. There's nothing else. Fiery Loves Leafy. Oh, it changed. It changed actually. Some people are working. Oh my god! Is dead. She's a female. Don't you dare misgender my girl Leafy. I'm going to cancel your life. I'm going to cancel your grandma, literally. This reminds me of I'm Dog Day and I'm so sad. I remember when that song came out. I was totally laughing, but this just makes me wanna cry. Like this really hedgy screaming. I love you like a thousand sun. Oh my god! Seriously, this man have some vocals that I can't describe. I can't describe this thing, guys. I can't describe it.